Hi, my name is Ryan Poppie, president and co-owner of the Beloit Mattress Company, born in 1929. So today we're going to talk about how to use a mattress topper properly. A mattress topper is designed to add a little additional pressure relief to the surface of a mattress. So here are some things that a mattress topper can do for you. Transform a too firm mattress by giving you a little extra pressure relief, especially in the hip and shoulder area. Remedy a worn mattress, helping even out the surface of a mattress that's maybe not quite as flat as it was in the beginning. So a mattress topper is designed to bring some pressure relief. So if you're waking up currently with numbness in your fingers or a sore hip, adding a topper can help alleviate those two problems. A topper can help keep your mattress clean also. A properly engineered mattress topper can also help with mattress cooling. Mattress toppers are mostly designed to add comfort to the surface of the mattress. A mattress protector is designed to protect the mattress and the topper by keeping it clean from things like spills and skin cells that we may shed while sleeping in bed. There are several different types of mattress toppers on the market, from basic foam, memory foam, convoluted foam, gel foam, to quilted toppers like we make, or things like feather beds. A mattress topper is generally designed to go right on top of your mattress. You then put your mattress protector over that and your sheet over that. So the difference between a mattress topper and a mattress protector is that a mattress protector is designed to protect both the mattress and the topper if you're using one, whereas a mattress topper is simply designed to add comfort to the surface of the mattress. The difference between a mattress topper and a mattress pad is a mattress pad is really trying to be both things, a protector and something to add some comfort, and honestly it doesn't really do either one very well. Our recommendation is that you use a mattress protector in conjunction with a mattress topper for best results. At the Beloit Mattress Company, we offer a range of toppers from our basic to our premium. Many toppers out in the market are simply a piece of foam. Ours are an engineered piece that's designed much like the surface of a mattress, with a quilted top, quilted to either polyester fiber, foam, and a backer in the basic, or bamboo, wool, and gel foam in the premium. At the Beloit Mattress Company, we offer a couple of different mattress toppers that aren't just a hunk of foam like many other vendors. These are engineered like the top of a mattress. Our basic has a nice damask fabric built into polyester fiber and foam. These work great in things like RVs, throw on a guest room bed to make it feel like new, any mattress that maybe is a little bit wore out. We also have our premium mattress topper if you want something a little bit softer. It has a beautiful bamboo fabric, natural wool fiber, and gel foam. This will work much better if you're looking for something that has more of a cooling effect. Maybe you want to use this on like a master bed type application. Visit either one of our showrooms or go to BeloitMattress.com to shop securely at home.